How to solve this viral maths problem for area? We begin with a square and a point in the interior of the square. We draw 4 line segments from this point, and each line segment connects to the midpoint of each of the square sides. Now the square is divided into 4 regions whose areas are 17 cm square, 21 cm square and 33 cm square. The question is, what is the area for this region? This diagram is not drawn to scale. If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video or else you can continue with the solution. To solve this problem, we begin with the area of a triangle, that is half base into height. So the area of this triangle is half base into height, and the area of all triangles that have same base and same height will be equal. So the area for all these triangles is same. Now let's go back to the diagram. To find the area for the required region, we will connect the interior points to the corners of the square. This divides the square into 8 different regions. Now focus on just these 2 triangles. Triangles with the same base and same height are equal in area. So the area of these 2 triangles will be same because they have the same base length and same height. Let's label these 2 areas as D and do this to all the triangles. Now consider the region 1. Its area is A plus D and this is given as 17 cm square. Now consider the region 2. Its area is A plus B and is equal to 21 cm square. Now consider the region 3. Its area is B plus C and is equal to 33 cm square. Now the last region C plus D, whose area we need to find. Now look at left hand side rectangles. These 2 rectangles, A plus D and B plus C. Here we have A, B, C and D, and so is on the right hand side. On right hand side also we have A, B, C and D. So we can equate left hand side and right hand side. Both of these are equal to A plus B plus C plus D. So here I equated left hand side and right hand side. Now let's put all these values in the equation. For A plus B we have 21, for A plus D we have 17 and for B plus C we have 33. Now we will solve this equation for C plus D. We will transpose this 21 to the right hand side. So C plus D equals 17 plus 33 minus 21. This gives C plus D is equal to 29 cm square. Hence the viral maths problem is solved. The value for this question mark here is 29 cm square.